Step into the 2016 Acura MDX with tech. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 3.5 L24 VSOHCI TUC V6, 4.33 axle ratio, automatic full-time all-wheel drive, front and rear anti-roll bars, automatic ride control adaptive suspension, electric power assist speed sensing steering, single stainless steel exhaust, permanent locking hubs, electromechanical limited slip differential and wheels, 19x 8.0 machine finished aluminum alloy. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.